Negative grapevine, 22:22 Central Standard Time, April 14th, 2023. I had heard noises out here when I was in the bathroom, and I came out. I'm not sure. Now it just sounds more like popping and creaking of the house, but there was definitely something rustling in there. I don't know if it was one of the man with the tiny manhood. I was going to try to be nice. Anyway, the man that made threats to me, or one of those other girls that did in the past, has got me triggered already just from the stuff through the grapevine when I know it's coming. Whether it's them or it could be someone imitating them. I got to throw that in there. Anyway, if y'all hear me scream, you might want to check it out. I guess it could have been a mouse. It sounded like it made a lot more noise than a mouse, though. I've seen them be on a trap before and pull it, and I don't know, as I don't see any. I don't like hearing a noise and not seeing it.